PowerShellGPT is a Windows application that integrates ChatGPT with PowerShell. It allows you to speak to ChatGPT just like you would speak to Alexa or Siri. With these options selected, you can basically start the app and it will automatically prompt ChatGPT, so it knows how to interact with PowerShell. The app can detect when ChatGPT wants to execute PowerShell commands. So basically you can ask ChatGPT to do something, and if it can do it using PowerShell, it will. You can save any prompts you use frequently and select them from this list whenever you want to use them. This prompt says, send the string. ShellGPT is amazing. You can set up voice triggers to control the COM port easily. Over COM port 1, and then it has the COM port settings. For this demo, I'm going to use Virtual Serial Ports Emulator. Clicking this button here will send the prompt. It basically emulates a serial device. Let's see what happens. Okay, it looks like its first attempt failed. Second attempt. It's looking good. There you go. Now watch how easy it is to save that as a voice trigger. Click here so we can see the last command. I'll just double check it. Yep. Once it's saved, you'll be able to access it here. To save it, you just click this button and enter what you want to say to run the code. Now whenever I say this, it'll execute that code. Let's try it. Say hi over the COM port. There you go, guys. I think the implications of this are huge. The download link is in the description. Have fun, stay safe.